Email marketing strategy for small business. Ever wonder how successful entrepreneurs are able to make money while they sleep? Or how they are able to make money while on a beach somewhere just with their laptops? Give me a few minutes and I will share their secret with you. A secret that took me years to figure out and perfect. In fact, I will even show you how I made $1,500 on autopilot while I was on a vacation in Thailand. After years of learning email marketing and testing which emails made the most money, I came up with my own proprietary system of sending out emails. This system is so simple and easy to use that my email marketing students all use it to generate consistent monthly income on autopilot. But before I show you exactly how my system works, let me ask you a question about your business. What made you want to start a business and become an entrepreneur in the first place? What got you into it? What made you start this journey? Running your own business, being your own boss? What was it that motivated you? For me, it was all about escaping my cubicle job. I hated the fact that I was trading time for money. If I wanted to make more money, I had to work longer hours. And as I spent longer hours at work trying to get more overtime pay, it just felt wrong. I mean, we're supposed to work smarter, not harder, right? And have you heard stories of successful entrepreneurs who work not in a cube, but on a vacation? Have you heard that? They are on a beach somewhere with a laptop and they work for a few hours a day and that's it. Don't believe me? There is even a best-selling book called The 4-Hour Workweek. Does that make any sense? It just feels so unfair, right? I mean, just what are they doing that we are not? I mean, they are certainly not going to tell you how they are doing it because they don't want competition. I'm going to tell you a secret that I wish I knew when I started my entrepreneur journey. You can work smart and not hard when you build a system, an email marketing system. Let me cut through all the BS and show you my proprietary system that makes sending emails and making money easy. As soon as someone joins our email list, they will automatically get a warm-up sequence of emails introducing them to who we are. You see this gear icon? I just love it because it symbolizes automation. These are the mails that would be automatically sent by our email service provider without us having to do anything. So that's the first part. The second part for our new subscriber is that they will also get the lead magnet email that they opted in for and then be sent a sequence of emails automatically with an offer to buy one of our products. Depending on how well our new subscribers are engaging with our emails, we introduce part 3. Do you see this hand icon? It means it's a manual step. This is where we make the decision to send the next mail or not. If lots of people are buying our products and basically in a buying mood, we should take advantage of that. That's why we send them part 3, another automated sequence with a chance to buy another one of our products. Now, I don't want to just talk about theories and concepts all the time. Let me prove it to you by showing you how I made $1,500 on autopilot when I was on a vacation in Thailand. When I got a sponsorship deal to document a male pageant in Bangkok, Thailand, I felt it was a good time to promote and sell my course teaching people how to get sponsorship deals. Before I got on the plane, I wrote 4 autoresponder emails. A lead magnet email giving away a free ebook, a welcome email welcoming the new subscriber to my mailing list, a value email teaching people the basics of sponsorship deals, and an offer email offering my sponsorship academy for sale. I then went onto my Instagram profile and made a post telling people that I got a sponsorship deal to go to Thailand, and if they want to get sponsored too, they can click the link on my bio and download the free ebook that will show them how. I published the post, went on the plane, and headed to Thailand. In a few days, when I looked at my PayPal account, I noticed I made $1,500. As you can see, the money was made on autopilot. Okay, let me pull back the curtains and show you exactly how I did it. To make money on autopilot, you need 3 things: a product, a traffic source, and a sales process. The product I was selling was my sponsorship academy. The traffic source was my Instagram account. The sales process is, you guessed it, my email system. When you look at my email service provider, you'll see I have 4 email autoresponders set to send one email after the other. The lead magnet email, the welcome email, the value email, and the offer email. These 4 emails are the 4 emails that you see in the diagram. As you can see, it doesn't take a lot of people to make $1,500 on autopilot. The email service provider automatically delivered these mails to about 230 people. If you do email marketing, you'll know that the average open rate of emails is around 15 to 25%. So, how was I able to increase my open rate to around 40%? This is one of the secrets that successful entrepreneurs won't tell you. Your job as an entrepreneur is to drive traffic. Don't spend too much time making your products perfect. There's probably nothing wrong with your product. And don't spend too much time on your sales process. That's what your email service provider is for. Once you set up your email system and automate your emails, you don't have to worry about them. Now, here's my secret, how I drove high-quality traffic into my email list, made them open my emails, and convert. I kept on posting about my Thailand vacation on my Instagram account. Hey, I was gonna do it anyways, so why not make money from doing it? This was also a psychological reminder that my sponsorship academy works. And as people joined my email list to download my free ebook, my email system automatically built relationships with them and convinced them to take action. Now, I know what you may be thinking, but June, what if no one buys my product? Does it mean everything that we did was a waste of time? No, absolutely not. That's why the last two parts of my email system is for. If not a lot of people are buying your product, we simply hold back on part 3 and send them part 4, which is one email that gives them pure value. It's called the reset email because it resets the buying environment that proves to our subscribers that we are here to help them out, not just to constantly push offers. But what if people stop opening or stop engaging with our emails? What then? That's when we step in and use the last part 5 of the system, which is our pre-written engagement sequence, convincing them to re-engage with our content. And when all else fails and those inactive subscribers are still ignoring us, we either relocate them to a different list for another re-engagement sequence or throw them in the trash, because we don't want these people to hurt our sender score. So it's in the trash they go. As you can see, your job as an entrepreneur is to create a simple system to contact your potential customers automatically. That's how you make money on autopilot while you sleep or while you are on a vacation. So, what do you think? I know we covered a lot today. What part of the system do you want extra help with? Warm-up sequence? Lead magnet sequence? Newsletter? Reset sequence? Or engagement sequence? Let me know in the comments and I'll help you. Now that you know my proprietary simple-to-use email system, let me show you how to start getting people to join your list. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button because in the next episode, I will show you 3 easy ways to drive tons of traffic to join your list. I'll see you in the next episode.